My name is Daniele Scrimieri. I'm assistant professor in computer science, and my research focuses on artificial intelligence for manufacturing systems. Manufacturing companies in, for example, the aerospace, automotive, and medical sectors use complex equipment such as robots for making a wide range of products. My research consists of designing algorithms for generating automatically optimal production plans that can be executed on manufacturing systems. These algorithms use models of manufacturing resources and manufacturing processes such as assembly. The objective of this research is to utilize efficiently the available resources and make manufacturing systems more intelligent, flexible, and productive. Companies will benefit from this work because they will be able to reduce production costs, respond more quickly to customer needs, and be more productive.